Does that mean you're packed up and ready to go? So we have to do dishes every single meal.
I took the front bumper off the Jeep because I have a new winch bumper.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Life Elevated Off-Grid with Nick and Jen. We moved from Las Vegas and we are living up here in southern Utah, learning a lot.
Yeah.
A lot. You can go back and look at some of our previous videos where we've put our solar system together and we've put our chicken coops together and
built everything. Yeah.
Built everything from the ground up.
Anyway, so it is middle of winter right now, obviously. Last time we drove the truck down into town, we came back in the middle of the day and it was really, really muddy and we didn't want to get stuck. So we had the Jeep and the Ram truck. So we left the Ram truck down there. We all jumped in the Jeep and came up to the property. So right now it is early in the morning. The sun just came up. It's frozen. So we're gonna go down and grab the truck and then bring it back up here so it's on our property. We don't like having it down there.
Yeah.
So I take my love and hide it away from those who steal till I find my way.
Part of the lessons we've learned in living up here is you have to go in and out on the mountain during the freeze. So anytime before 11 a.m. because once about 10, 11 a.m. hits and the sun starts shining on our roads or our gravel roads, dirt roads, everything turns to mush because the snow melts into the road and then creates this big soupy muddy mess, which you guys have seen our videos where we have to go up and down in that muddy mess sometimes, but we try our best to do everything that we can before 11 a.m. so that we don't get stuck and we're not the ones causing ruts in the road, even though we all do it. It's definitely difficult even when it's frozen to navigate through the ruts in the dirt road. And it's really hard with the dually because, well, we call her Big Booty Judy because she's got 4 tires on the back, trying to get through the ruts, through the snow, through everything with all her tires. And then the dually is back home. And people have been asking, what do you eat in your trailer for your meals? So for breakfast today, we're gonna have chorizo and eggs with some potatoes O'Brien. And then for dinner, it is in the crock pot right now. We have a beef tri-tip. We are slow cooking it and it will be delicious later tonight. And because of our crowded space, we don't have a ton of utensils and plates and bowls, so we have to do dishes every single meal.
All right, guys, we're at the cabin right now. We're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna get going on the drywall and get as much done as we can today. It is cold, so we need to get moving. Let's do it.
Heat's in the tools, babe. Let's do this.
Heat's in the tools.
got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we
2 nailers? Do we need more?
strong?
One here and one here.
And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about.
You look like you're working on our old estate in Nevada right there. That's what it kind of looks like, right? Yeah. There's like that corner right there where Viva Las Vegas is.
I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.
We got a few panels up right here. I don't know exactly how we're gonna tackle this because
It looks like a starship.
I don't know. Well, instead of just sitting here and doing nothing and debating on how to do it for the next 20 minutes, we're gonna do this wall right here. Because those are no-brainers. They're easy. We built the walls, so the studs are gonna be. We can use a full sheet. It's not gonna be like a
They're all 16
Tetris.
on center.
Yeah, it's not gonna be like a Tetris game trying to put nailers up and all this stuff. I'd rather just get some headway rather than tinker with this little spot right here. We can mess with that later, right?
Yes, let's go.
All right, let's do it. The camera won't turn off. Well, we have this drywall screw installation gun, and we borrowed it from a friend in here, up on the property, and it just went to crap. The cord is, I bet I could fix it, but it's right now, so we're using the impact gun, which is not, it's making things a little, take a little longer. I have to grab one of these.
I know you gotta control your muscles, babe.
And then I gotta control my trigger finger.
Yeah.
We're gonna run the 8-foot sheet over to here, and then we have these couplers that are gonna go in here so that the wires don't chafe on the box. And then also we're gonna put one up through here and then run a piece of 2-inch down into the ground, which is we're gonna run power up through. The biggest hole on here is 1.5 inches. We're gonna have to, instead of coming to here with the drywall, we're gonna cut the drywall short, cut it right here, stop right there, and then I have knockouts at the house, so that way I can come put a 2-inch hole right here, and then this will be good to go, and then we can cover it up with drywall. Slight change of plan from what we were gonna do, but not a big deal. We'll just stop it here and go down, and then we should be good.
Does that mean you're packed up and ready to go?
That means I'm ready to rock. We got a couple sheets of drywall. I think we did like 10 sheets of drywall. We're still trying to figure out a few things.
Oh, Bubba wants to do it too.
Anyway, we have
We're
some more
gonna-
stuff to do.
Yeah, we're gonna clean up and we'll come back to the cabin another day.
Yep, we're gonna
Every day's a little bit more progress.
Yeah, we're gonna go back over to the property right now. I got some other projects going on. I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna take you along. We're doing some stuff on the Jeep, which I know a lot of you guys are liking. So let's clean up and get over there and let's show you guys what we're working on.
Okay?
Yeah.
We're back up at the property right now. I took the front bumper off the Jeep because I have a new winch bumper. And in the spirit of making this a budget build and doing it all myself, I have a DIY front winch bumper that comes, it's 3/16 steel. It comes plasma cut out. So everything, you just gotta like bend it, start welding it together. Yesterday I started it, I tacked it all up and I've done a few welds, but it's like the shape of it is there. So check it out. Right, there it is. I would like to get this thing, all the welds ground down and this thing on the Jeep with the winch on it. So then we can go play. I still have another one of these things to put right here. And the welds they're not good, but they're not like terrible, I don't think. I haven't done it forever. I don't know why these lights make it do rays like that, but it's pretty cool. I'm just gonna finish, I gotta weld up like everything and I'm gonna grind it down and then I'm gonna paint it black. I'm over here stacking dimes. No big deal.
Stacking dimes.
Stacking dimes. That's what that is right there. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. Some people might not, but I think it's pretty good. Yeah, one thing, I'm not gonna use the generator because the I don't know what's up with the solar. Like it works, it runs it, but then it, like after like 10 minutes, it'll shut down. It has to like, I don't know what it does, but the generator just lets it run all the time. So, but this is putting out a lot of heat, so I imagine it's using a lot of power. All right, well, I was out here working for a couple hours on this fender. Every time I think I'm done or almost done, then there's 5 other things that I find that I need to fix, but it's a work in progress. It looks pretty cool. I like it. I like the look of it. I've already test fitted on the Jeep, and it's gonna fit good. And then perfect spot for our winch, which I'm also excited about. It's getting dark, as you can see. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Go inside and eat some dinner and hang out. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And we'll see you guys in a few days. Come on, bud, let's go inside. Come on, Charles. Come on, Charles.